Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Portapotty is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any outdoor event, construction site, or emergency preparedness kit, offering a surprisingly convenient and hygienic solution when traditional plumbing is unavailable. Whether you're planning a large festival, managing a remote work site, or simply want to ensure comfort during extended camping trips, understanding the nuances of portable toilet options can make a significant difference in overall satisfaction and operational efficiency. This review will delve into what makes a portable toilet truly stand out, ensuring you can make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Camco RV 5-gallon Portable Toilet Kit. Introducing a reliable, portable, and hassle-free toilet solution designed to bring convenient comfort to your outdoor adventures. The seat and lid attachment snap securely onto the bucket's rim, providing a stable surface that's built to withstand the demands of outdoor use. Crafted from weatherproof polypropylene, it's lightweight and features a convenient carry handle for effortless handling and transporting wherever you go. Its smooth interior design ensures easy cleaning, allowing you to maintain hygiene with minimal effort. This kit includes disposable bag liners that fit snugly inside, complete with gel liquid to keep waste contained and odor-free. What we like. This option offers a simple and effective solution for basic needs. If you are looking for a no-fuss, portable waste disposal system that's easy to set up and clean, this is a great choice. It's ideal for occasional use or when a very basic setup is sufficient. What people say. The flush is powerful and effective, clearing the bowl with each use. The tank capacity is generous, allowing for multiple uses before needing to be emptied. The integrated toilet paper holder is a convenient feature, keeping paper readily accessible. Number 4. Camco 5.3-gallon Portable Toilet. Introducing the ultimate portable restroom solution, perfect for all your adventures. Enjoy convenience and comfort wherever your travels take you, from RV trips to camping excursions. This essential camping gear features a detachable 5.3-gallon holding tank for easy emptying. Its sealing side valve effectively locks in odors and prevents leaks, ensuring a clean experience. Experience a smooth and efficient flush every time with its user-friendly bellows pump and pull slide valve system. Rinsing the bowl is simple and complete. Built with durable polymer, this compact toilet is designed for various outdoor settings. It's lightweight for easy transport and supports up to 330 pounds. This package includes everything you need for outdoor sanitation, including the portable toilet and essential treatments. Elevate your outdoor adventures with ease and hygiene. What we like. Consider this if you prioritize odor control and ease of emptying. The detachable tank with a sealing slide valve makes maintenance much cleaner and more convenient. It's perfect for longer trips where frequent emptying might be a concern. What people say. The flush is powerful and effective, clearing the bowl with ease. The tank capacity is generous, allowing for multiple uses before needing to be emptied. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to carry, even when full. Number 3. SereneLife Portable Toilet 5.3 gallons. Enjoy a full-size seat in a large tank that feels just like your home toilet. You can relax and stay worry-free whether you're camping, boating, or on the road. The double-sealed drain valve locks in waste and effectively blocks odors. This ensures a clean, fresh, and hassle-free experience every time you use it outdoors or while traveling. An easy push-button flusher sprays fresh water around the bowl for a powerful clean. It requires no electricity or hookups, making it convenient and sanitary wherever you go. Its water tank delivers over 80 flushes before needing a refill. This means you can spend more time enjoying your adventure without stressing about bathroom breaks. The rotating no-splash pour spout makes waste disposal fast, safe, and simple. You can handle the dirty job with confidence and get back to enjoying your trip. What we like. This one is for those who want the closest experience to a home toilet. The full-size seat and powerful flush system offer superior comfort and hygiene. If you value a more comfortable and robust portable toilet for extended camping or travel, this is an excellent option. Number 2. Thetford Portapotty 92306 Portable Toilet. Introducing an award-winning, top-of-the-line portable toilet. It's perfectly suited for a wide range of uses, from RVs and boats to camping and off-the-grid living. This portable toilet boasts a sleek, modern design that feels surprisingly home-like. It features a comfortable seat height, an increased bowl size, and convenient battery-powered flush. Designed for ease of use and cleaning, it includes an ergonomic carrying handle and an integrated toilet paper holder. You'll also find a helpful tank level indicator. Enjoy a truly odorless and leak-proof experience. A sealed valve prevents any unpleasant odors from escaping, ensuring a fresh environment. Emptying the wastewater tank is simple and mess-free thanks to the rotating pour-out spout. This design prevents any backsplashes. For added stability, an optional hold-down kit is available. This helps secure the portable toilet firmly to the floor while you're traveling. What we like. Choose this if you appreciate a modern, convenient, and sanitary portable toilet. The battery-powered flush adds a touch of luxury and ease of use, while the tank level indicator helps you manage waste efficiently. It's great for those who want a high-quality, user-friendly experience. What people say. The flush is powerful and effective, clearing the bowl with each use. The tank capacity is generous, allowing for multiple uses before needing to be emptied. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to carry, even when full. Number 1. Alpcour Portable Toilet. Never worry about emergency potty breaks again. This compact and fully functional latrine offers anytime, anywhere bathroom relief, bringing the comforts of home wherever you go. Enjoy over 50 flushes with its powerful piston pump. No plumbing is needed, and the large waste tank means fewer trips to empty it. Made from durable, heavy-duty material, it minimizes odors and resists rust. It's lightweight yet sturdy, supporting the whole family comfortably. The built-in sprayer keeps the bowl clean, and the rotating spout allows for hygienic disposal. A waste level indicator and anti-leak valve ensure no odors escape. This complete kit comes with a handy travel bag for easy transport and storage. It's an eco-friendly system that saves you money and reduces waste. What we like. This is the ultimate choice for convenience and ease of cleaning. The piston pump provides a powerful flush, and the built-in sprayer makes bowl cleaning a breeze. If you want a fully featured, easy-to-maintain portable toilet that comes with its own travel bag, this is the one for you. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is functional and the features are useful. It is a reliable product that performs as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.